Before registering a trademark, it is essential to verify if it is already in use. Today, we will show you how to validate the availability of our trademark, Conver, using the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO database. First, go to the official website of the Patent Office, uspto.gov. On the home page, select the Trademarks option and then click on Search Trademarks. This will take us to the trademark search system. Here, we can perform different types of searches to get the best results. In expert mode, we start by selecting wordmark. We type our trademark, Conver, and press search. Wordmark allows us to perform an exact search, which evaluates character by character matches against the registered trademarks database. As a result, we have no matches here. Now, we change the search type to mark description. This search analyzes matches in the descriptions of registered trademarks. As we can see, we also have no matches here. After conducting a search with exact parameters, we now proceed to perform a general search using the general search option. This type of search identifies matches, whether individual characters or groups of characters, from our trademark. Therefore, as we can see, we get the following general results: over 4,000 matches. In this case, it is necessary to narrow down the results by filtering out or eliminating trademarks with a dead status, as these are not considered in the trademark registration process. Now we get approximately 1,200 results, which we must individually compare with our trademark. An efficient way to perform this search process is by exporting the results to Excel and comparing them locally with our trademark. With the local results in Excel, we perform the search process and find that we have no matches. Therefore, we can conclude that our trademark is available to proceed with the registration process. Remember, completing the verification process with the United States Patent and Trademark Office is the first step toward the successful registration of your trademark. Always verify availability before submitting your application. Thank you.